Our biggest update of the entire year is now 2 weeks old. But did we sit on our hands and party, or did we get right back to work? I think you'll appreciate the answer as we count down the 9 newest updates that Team SamCart has added to your SamCart account in the last 7 days. But before we jump into the countdown, if you haven't seen the big announcement from just a few weeks ago, head over to samcart.com/anywhere. And you can learn all about the huge new innovations that we added to SamCart's CheckoutOS, like stored credit cards, one-click purchasing, and even taking our industry-leading checkout experience and embedding it right on to your own website. With that, we begin our countdown by visiting the new SamCart Express checkout for 3 exciting brand new updates. All right, so our first couple of updates happen right here. Let's check out the new SamCart Express checkout. You can see our number 9 spot will be these order bump images. So these images over here, these kind of beautiful 1x1 square images. Not only their image support, but it also has animated GIF support. So here's a little tiger fist pump from what I believe was the Masters. But these beautiful 1x1 images look awesome on mobile, like I'm showing you guys here. They look great on desktop as well. Update number 8 is you'll see this new kind of view details button down here, okay? So if I click on view details, it's gonna launch a little pop-up window where it's gonna tell me all about the product that I'm learning about. So here I'm potentially adding an annual membership, a subscription, a free trial to a subscription. Here is an order bump that each customer could say add to order and add this to what they have. And you get a chance to put in this beautiful looking little description here. You can add bullet points and text. You can highlight and bold, add these quick descriptions, and then your customers can click add to order with one click, and they've added something else to their cart. So super powerful. Product details, one click, looks great on mobile, takes up very, very little space. Awesome, awesome update at number 8. For the next 2 updates on our list, we'll go back inside your SamCart dashboard, where the feature that doubles what your customers are spending just got a whole lot easier to use. All right, so our team knows that when you have a one-click upsell in place, if somebody shows you something like this as an upsell, downsell, you can do a few of these sort of after someone places an order. We know that adding just one of these pages right here adds 68% on average to your average order value, meaning your customers spend 68% more money on average by doing this one time. Someone places their order, this button right here, this add my order, has their credit card information saved on file. It's one click. It's super easy. You can do multiple of these, but just one of them. Super, super, super powerful. So we basically got to work and said, all right, how can we make this easier for you guys? So here I am inside of a single SamCart product, and I can come over here to the offers tab. That's what it says right here. And I can now choose and say, hey, listen, I don't necessarily need to do a whole funnel of upsells. I don't need to do multiple and string them together and say there's up here and they say no, go here, like that type of stuff. I just want to add one. So if you just want to add one, come over here and click add an upsell. And what you're going to be able to do is choose from a drop-down list any of the upsells you've already made. So you don't have to, previously you had to go to the upsells tab, make your upsells, go to the funnels page, string together your upsells, come back to the product, and it was all this back and forth stuff. Now, I can do this and say, cool, I want to show them a one-click upsell page after they buy, and I'm just going to choose which one I want from a drop-down. After you do that, you get all of this nice new update type stuff right here. You get to see what's the name of the product? What's the price? Does it have payment options? Am I asking them to double confirm before they, place their order here? All this kind of stuff is super, super nice. So no more going all over the app. You can do it right here from inside of this. The next update is when you do click on edit. If I did want to change something about this, I can come over here and I can see this nice live preview of the upsell page. I know what it looks like. I don't need to launch the builder just to see what the page looks like or hit preview. It's just, I can see it. It's right here. All of this in the name of making upsells that much easier for you guys. Last one is that when you go and create an upsell, what you see right here is now our new default template design. So if you don't want to design an upsell page and add video and add content and do all this kind of stuff, we have a default template that will have the product's image, that will have the name, have the price, and even a quick description if you have a product description entered for that product. We just do this now by default. Create an upsell. Here's your default template. Roll it out there, give it to your customers, because we know that even having a very, very simple one-click upsell, having just one even, is so incredibly powerful, and it's going to move the needle for you guys in such a major way. It's easier to launch upsells. We've got the default template design. We've got added details, and we've even got the live preview. I think technically that's 4 updates for you guys. We counted them as 3. We'll move it on with the countdown. For the next item on the list, that new stored credit card feature is now available to all Stripe sellers. Previously, it was just available for those of you guys using SamPay, but now Stripe Link and the stored credit card network that you guys have access to now is available for anyone on SamCart using Stripe or SamPay, meaning that your customers who are part of the Stripe Link network can come back and purchase from you without ever pulling out their credit card. Next up, those of you guys who use SamCart's paid live chat upgrade so that you can talk directly to our team here in the SamCart office. You guys now have live chat available throughout the entire SamCart dashboard app, meaning that wherever you are in the app, we know as well, and you can be one quick line away from getting the questions you need directly from our team. If you're interested in adding live chat to your SamCart account, go ahead and shoot our team a message, and we can talk to you guys about how to get that turned on. This page might not look like much, but what you will notice up here is that this price is listed in euros. When we launched our brand new technology, SamCart Express and SamCart Embed, a couple weeks ago, we were only supporting prices displayed in USD, and now we are back. Full support, currencies, euros, British pound sterling, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, all the world currencies that you love about SamCart everywhere else. Now, the newest technology is in your guys' hands. Get after it. And last but not least, our team has released a tool inside of SamCart called Orbital. So the next time you log into SamCart, you might see a pop-up that asks you if you want to get in touch directly with the SamCart product team. We are always looking to talk to more customers about how you are liking the tool, what's missing, what you love about it. And if you see that pop up, it's your chance to give direct feedback directly to the people who are coding and typing out the future of SamCart. So those are the brand new updates from this week. We are so excited about what we have coming next for you guys. If you are a SamCart customer, you can dive right back into your account and get all of these new things. Will be waiting for you. If you are not a SamCart customer and you want to learn more about what SamCart can do for your bottom line to help you get more customers, spending more often, head over to samcart.com. You guys can learn about all the new updates we just released and see why they are multiplying conversion rates for those people who are taking action on these new features. I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder of SamCart. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next